Hello friends, I'm back with another video on latest opportunities in the Gulf countries. In this video, you will see many free recruitments as well. So please don't skip, watch complete video so that you should not miss any opportunity. And please subscribe if you are new on the channel and turn on the notification because I'm posting videos on daily basis on latest Gulf opportunities. So let's start the video. First posting is for Abu Dhabi. This is for an international company for their oil and gas turnaround project. This is free recruitment, large requirements. So the positions are HSC trainer. You can see the salary is clearly mentioned on the other hand. The salary for HSC trainer is 14,000 AD. For QAQC leader rotating equipment 19,000. Subcontracts coordinator, unit WMS coordinators rotating equipment, block leader utilities rotating equipment, core supervisors rotating equipment, floor coordinators, LDP coordinators day and night rotating equipment, all are in rotating equipment, olefins and site coordinators, olefin site coordinators and quantity surveyor mechanical. All the candidates should have degree or diploma in mechanical engineering and have Gulf experience in oil and gas construction turnaround project in rotating equipment. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Duration of the contract will be 6 to 9 months. So friends, offices for these postings are Mumbai, Kochi, Delhi, Baroda and Chennai. Shortlisting in progress, so you can hurry up and send your documents for shortlisting. Once your CV gets shortlisted, they will intimate you for the final round of interview with clients. Next posting is for Abu Dhabi. This is also for a oil and gas construction project. Large requirements, immediate departure, and the online interviews are in progress. Positions are QA/QC Inspector Civil, Bachelor degree in Civil Engineering or related field, ensuring a solid technical foundation, at least 7 years of hands-on experience in quality control within oil and gas construction, demonstrating expertise in the field. Next is QA/QC Inspector Mechanical, Bachelor degree in Mechanical Engineering or related field, preferably from an accredited institute. Certifications such as API 570, AWS, CWI or equivalent are highly desirable to validate expertise in relevant inspection standards. Next is QA/QC Inspector E&I, Bachelor degree in Electrical Engineering, Instrumentation or related field with a strong technical foundation. Certifications such as API 570, API 510 or equivalent QC certification are highly preferred for credibility in inspections. So all candidates should have minimum 7 years of relevant work experience in quality control within the oil and gas construction industry, showcasing hands-on expertise. Attractive salary with food and accommodation will be provided by company. So the offices for this posting are Mumbai, Kochi, Baroda, Delhi and Chennai. So friends, shortlisting is in progress along with online interviews also going on, so you can apply immediately. Next is for Abu Dhabi for a construction project, the same company. Large requirement, immediate departure. Positions are planning engineers civil, planning engineers E&I and planning engineers mechanical. So all candidates should have degree in mechanical engineering and have Gulf experience in oil and gas construction. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company. The offices are same for this posting as well. So friends, you can see WhatsApp numbers, regular mobile numbers for calling and email IDs are given for all the offices, so you can approach to any of your nearest location. Next is also free recruitment for Saudi Arabia for a leading Korean construction company. Shortlisting is in progress. Aramco experience is required. So the positions, you can see there are bulk openings. So the positions are QC, civil, building inspector, mechanical inspector, piping inspector, welding inspector, electrical supervisor, and instrument supervisor. These all are QC positions. And then there are inspector positions like receiving inspection inspector, then stationery preservation, piping preservation, machinery preservation, electrical preservation, and instrument preservation and plumbing. These all are inspector positions. HVAC inspector, batch plant inspector, and here steel structure, equipment rotating, equipment stationary, piping, NDT, welding, wall test, RTFI, PWHT, painting, electrical instrument, communication, coating, and SCMS. So these are the positions. And to apply for any of this position, you can send your CV along with supportive documents on kochi@asiapowerlimited.com ltd.com. So attractive salary, free food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi again, for a construction company. The interview is going to be online interview. The positions are safety officer, labor, crane operator, boom truck operator, and light driver. Attractive salary, free food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. So friends, this posting is by Asia Power Mumbai. Next is for Saudi again. So the position is lead fabricator, diploma in industrial course, ITI certification, minimum work experience of 8 to 10 years as a lead fabricator in petrochemical plant. Shall be able to do gas cutting, track welding, grinding, buffing, and able to climb and work on elevated areas, able to work in confined space area. So attractive salary, free food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi, and candidate must have experience in oil and gas. Aramco experience is must. The position is QC inspector, electrical. Attractive salary plus perks. These are the contact details. Next is a free recruitment for Saudi. Shortlisting from 8 October to 9 October at Mumbai. Final interviews at Mumbai on 10th October with the client. So friends, the positions are HSC manager, HSC deputy manager, HSC supervisor, engineer, HSC rigging supervisor, HSC safety trainer, HSC permit receiver, HSC scaffolding supervisor, and there are some QC inspector positions. So QA/QC inspector in mechanical, piping, welding, paint, and insulation. And you can see supervisory positions like painting supervisor, insulation, QA/QC inspector, ID controller, material controller, local purchaser, logistics supervisor, document controller, steel structure supervisor, mechanical supervisor, code UTOS PE DC, then electrical supervisor, instrument supervisor, and firefighting or HVAC supervisor. So all candidate must have Gulf experience in oil and gas EPC projects and experience in Saudi Arabia. Experience in Saudi Aramco and Korean companies are preferred. Attractive salary, free food, accommodation will be provided by company. Below are the contact detail like WhatsApp number, you can call them as well, and the email ID is hr10@smax.net. Next is for Saudi again. Walk-in shortlisting on 8, 9 and 10th October and the final client interview at Cochin shortly. It's a free recruitment. Positions are auto denter, auto painter, auto technician, auto technicians general and quick service, body shop estimator, and body shop team leader. All candidates must have Gulf experience in relevant field. Attractive salary and other benefits will be provided by company. And below are the coaching office contact details for your reference. So final interviews will be at Cochin. Next is for Saudi, and this is also free recruitment. You no need to pay any service charge. So friends, please don't skip, watch complete video, else you will miss on the opportunities. Many subscriber are requesting for the position which I have already posted, because they are not watching complete video, either they are skipping, so they are missing out the opportunities. So please don't do that. So this is for Saudi free recruitment. The positions are grinder, tag repair welder, 3G, 4G, SMAW welding operator, arc welder, SAW welder operators, SAW welder, oxycut operator, gas cutter, post bending machine operator, hydro testing machine operator, expander machine operator, 3/4 roll bending machine operator. So friends, the final client interviews will be at Baroda, Mumbai and Chennai by end of October. Candidates should have experience in sawmill, pipe mill, steel pipe manufacturing plants. All candidates should have communication in English. Attractive salary, food allowance, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. You can see the contact details of Mumbai and Chennai office below. Next is for Saudi. It's a long-term project with Camca Medical. Immediate departure, pipe fitter 100 positions, mechanical fitter 100 positions, and jobs@brightInternational.in is the email ID where you can apply for the position, and the mobile numbers are also mentioned for your reference. So this is for Saudi long-term project, and Gamca Medical will require. Next is for UAE for a long-term job, L&T. Final interview in Gorakhpur, Chennai and Madurai. Construction and power plant. QA/QC assistant, civil, land surveyor, safety supervisor, civil supervisor, safety supervisor, P&M mechanic, foreman, civil, steel and carpentry, charge hand, carpentry, masonry and scaffolder, mason, steel fitter, carpenter, helper, scaffolder, plumber and rigger. So jobs@brightinternational.in is the email ID. If you want to apply for any of the above position, you can send your documents, and you can contact them for any queries. Next is for Saudi, again long-term project, L&T for solar power plant. Client interviews in Mumbai and Chennai from 13th October to 15th of October. So the positions are scaffolder inspector, foreman mechanical, foreman civil, quantity surveyor, technical mechanical and mechanical fitters. You can submit your CV and all documents. The email ID is jobs@brightinternational.in, and they have already mentioned the WhatsApp number also. So for safer side, you email them and ping on WhatsApp as well. Next is for Saudi, again L&T for solar power project. Client interview in Mumbai and Chennai from 13th to 15th of October. The positions are electrical foreman, electrical technician, electrician, cable jointer, assistant cable jointer and FO cable splicer. So the email ID is remain same. You can see other contact details as well. Next is for Saudi, L&T for same project. Interviews also will be on same date, 13 to 15th of October, Mumbai and Chennai. Positions are helper, mechanical, electrical, civil and general. These are the contact details for your reference. The contact details remain same for all the postings for L&T and for Saudi location. Next is for UAE for offshore rotation job. Client interviews on 16th October at Cochin. The positions are HVAC specialist or engineer, salary 8 to 12,000 AD. So this is includes food and accommodation as well. So salary plus food and accommodation is a combined salary package. HVAC specialist, supervisor, 4 month, senior technician, technician, assistant technician, and SAP planner. These all are HVAC positions. Then pickup driver, desert driving experience required. Pickup and bus driver, heavy license, BMS, HMI programmer specialist, HVAC control technician, and HVAC electrical technician. So below are the contact details for your reference. Next is for Russia. It's a long-term job for a leather products manufacturing factory. Client interviews on 10th October in Chennai. The positions are tailor, back tailor, plotter cutting and CNC cutting, complex operator, picker cutter, leather bag maker, and ironer. So friends, these all are related to leather products. You can send your CV on brightrussia1@gmail.com, and the contact number is also mentioned. So if you would like to apply for any of these positions, you can send your documents immediately for shortlisting. Next is for UAE. This is also for a long-term project. ADCO approved is must. The positions are project manager, senior planning engineer, and HSE manager. So jobs@brightinternational.in is the email ID where you can send your documents for shortlisting. Next is for Qatar. It's a short-term project for oil and gas, and shutdown experience is must for these positions. So the positions are engineer mechanical, supervisor mechanical, planning engineer, and planning engineer E&I. So you can see the contact details, and the email ID is remain same. Next is a free recruitment for Dubai. So the positions are joinery supervisor, salary range is 6 to 8,000 AD, and graphic designer come content writer, job location will be Gujarat. Package salary will be 70,000 to 90,000 Indian rupees. It's a free recruitment. Then quantity surveyor come QS document controller, PMS. Salary range will be 5,000 to 7,000 AD. Purchase manager, interior fit out, salary 10,000 to 12,000 AD. Interior designer 8 to 10,000 AD. Benefits will be accommodation, transportation. If you wish to apply for the desired position, you can apply at below email ID. The email ID is uae@fgghiwala.com. You can see the WhatsApp number as well. So friends, this posting is for Dubai, UAE, but there is one position for Gujarat as well, which is graphic designer come content writer. Rest all positions are for Dubai. This is the same. Next is for Qatar, and the position is project engineer. It's a long-term project. So the requirements are diploma in mechanical or BE, overall experience 8 to 10 years, Gulf experience minimum 3 to 5 years, knowledge of project management, knowledge of interface management. Below are the contact details like mobile number and email ID. Next is for Saudi. The positions are QA manager, QC manager, procurement QC manager, electrical QC supervisor, instrument QC supervisor, and electrical QC inspector. Below are the contact details for your reference. You can take a screenshot if needed. Friends, don't forget to like the video and also comment your suggestions or like whatever you are feeling about A1 Gulf jobs. So please share your feedback in the comment. This is for Kuwait, for a leading electronics retailer and online seller company. So the positions are designer for social media. So degree diploma in computer designing with minimum 2 years of relevant experience. A salary will be Kuwaiti dinar 250 including food. Another position is data entry operators. Any degree computer operator diploma with minimum 2 years of relevant field experience. Salary is going to be 200 Kuwaiti dinar. All the salaries are including food for this posting. So light driver, Indian license holder also will be considered. Salary will be 150 Kuwaiti dinar. These are the contact details. The offices for these postings are Mumbai, Chennai, Kochi and Trichy. This posting is by International Trade Links, HR consultants. You can see the email ID and contact numbers for all 4 locations. Next is for Kuwait. This is an urgent hiring and immediate departure. It's a long-term contract. Duty is going to be 10 hours. Positions are catering supervisor, 60 openings, 240 Kuwaiti dinar will be the salary. Continental cook, 50 openings, 208 Kuwaiti dinar. South Indian cook, 50 openings, 208 Kuwaiti dinar. Training and development chef, 10 openings, 350 Kuwaiti dinar. So training and development chef for South Indian and Continental. All candidates should have minimum 3 to 5 years of relevant experience in offshore, rig, oil and gas or industrial catering. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Here is also the offices are Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai and Trichy. All the contact details are clearly mentioned in the posting. Next is for Oman. It's a long-term contract and the positions are industrial hygienist, maintenance foreman, mechanical, PTWH, SS welder, must be multitasking and multi-skilled. Welder GTW plus SMAW, must be multitasking and multi-skilled. Fabricator, tank, minimum 5 years of experience in tank vessel fabrication with skill in reading drawings, material prep, tank jacking, plate, nozzle fit up, flange replacement and confined space work. Scaffolder, insulation technician, construction foreman and maintenance foreman. Knowledge and experience in electrical foreman in both construction and maintenance. So friends, the offices are Mumbai, Chennai, Kochi and Trichy. All the contact details are clearly mentioned. Operation and maintenance project, vacancies in large number. So the interviews will be in Mumbai and Cochin. So in Mumbai 30th of October and Cochin 16th of October. You can see the contact details and email IDs for both the location. The positions are logistics supervisor, housing, supervisor HVAC, heavy duty driver, logistics, cleaning supervisor, housekeeping, HVAC chillers technician, HVAC technician, electrical technician, KLE technician, kitchen and laundry, landscaping technicians, irrigation plumbing, low current technician, civil craftsman, carpenter, mechanical operator, RO, mechanical technician, plumbing, pumps, swimming pool and fountains, work control center scheduler. So all candidates should have diploma, ITI, SSC with minimum 5+ years of experience in facility maintenance, building and utility operation and maintenance field. Gulf experience will be preferred. So this was for Saudi Arabia for operation and maintenance project. Next is, it's a shutdown of 6 months short term project, and interviews will be in Mumbai, Baroda and Chennai. The final client interviews will be soon, shortlisting in progress. So friends, in Mumbai 10 and 11th October, Baroda 13 and 14, and Chennai 16th October. You can see the contact details and mobile number for all three locations. So the positions are foreman piping, mechanical, safety supervisor, QA/QC supervisor, static or planning, rigger with EOT, crane operator, cold cutting technician, blaster, painting foreman, standby man, fire watch, welder 6GSS, CS, TIG and ARC, material coordinator, logistic coordinator, mechanical technician, mechanical fitter, fabricator, rigger 3, permit receiver, jetter, timekeeper and be a technician. So friends, you can see the positions and number of openings are given. So there are pretty good number of openings for all the positions. All candidates should have degree, diploma, ITI, SSC with minimum 3 to 5 years of shutdown maintenance experience in oil and gas and petrochemical industries. So below are the contact details for your reference. So you can send your documents on the given email IDs, or you can contact as well if you have any queries. Next is again for a, no, this is going to be a long-term contract, and offices are Mumbai, Baroda and Chennai. In Mumbai 10th and 11th October, 13 and 14 in Baroda and 16 October in Chennai. So the positions are planning in charge, QC lead, scaffolding in charge, store in charge, tank in charge or manager, electrical in charge, fabrication manager, shutdown managers, scheduler, planners, material coordinator, logistic coordinator, document controller, storekeeper, electrician, API 353 specialist, welder, all metals, rigging foreman, instrument technicians and fabricators. So all candidates should have degree, diploma, ITI with minimum 3 to 15 years of shutdown maintenance experience in oil and gas and petrochemical industries. Saudi or Gulf experience will be preferred. So friends, if you want to apply for any of this position, you can send your documents on any of these email IDs which is nearest to your location, and you can contact them as well for any queries. This is for oil and gas maintenance project in Bahrain. So food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Positions are designer, civil design. Salary will be 2,800 to 3,500 US dollar. Bachelor in civil and structural engineering with 10 plus years of design drafting experience in oil and gas, proficient in AutoCAD, Smart Plant 3D with expertise in construction methods, concrete, steel, detailing and underground utilities. Another position is Smart Plant Specialist. Salary is going to be US dollar 3,800 to 4,000. Smart Plant Foundation Administrator. Minimum bachelor degree in engineering, IT administrator or equivalent with minimum 5 years of relevant work experience, especially in refinery petrochemical project, or diploma degree in engineering, IT administration or equivalent with minimum 10 years of relevant work experience, especially in refinery and petrochemical projects. PLC and SCADA engineer, bachelor in computer science engineering with 7 plus years of oil and gas expertise in PLC ladder login logic, RTU engineering, industrial network and cyber security standard. Salary is going to be 3,800 to 4,200 US dollar. Electrical designer engineer, USD 2,800 to 3,500 is going to be a salary for this position. University degree in electrical engineering with minimum 10 years of experience in the oil refilling oil and gas production or petrochemical industries. Experience in SPL and AutoCAD is mandatory. Instrument engineer, the position is instrumentation control engineer. Salary is 4,000 to 4,500 US dollar. Bachelor degree in instrumentation with minimum 10 years of experience in oil refilling, oil and gas production and petrochemical industries, of which at least 5 years in design and detailed engineering of projects, handling instrument and control system. Experience in maintenance would be an added advantage. So friends, offices for these postings are Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai and Trichy. You can see the contact details and email IDs for all the locations. Next is for UAE offshore project. It's a 3 months rotation job. The position is PFP applicators. 8 hours duty plus overtime will be provided. So 5 years of hands-on experience as a PFP applicator in oil and gas, petrochemical power plant or similar industries. Skilled in plastering, finishing and masonry. PFP manufacturer certification and experience with plural component airless spray pumps are advantageous. Experience in industrial painting, insulation or scaffolding is a plus. Good communication skills. Physically fit, age between 20 to 60, flexible per project. For a long term job, scaffolding foreman, WMS, JP role. So third party CITB or CISRS or any equivalent certificate, minimum 5 years of experience as a scaffolding foreman in oil and gas field, petrochemical power plant, other industries unless or otherwise specified in the project contract requirement. So these are the detailed requirement for both the positions. Offices again Mumbai, Chennai, Kochi and Trichy. Contact detail and email addresses remain same. So if you would like to apply for any of this position, you can apply immediately. Next is for Saudi, for a leading oil and gas contracting company. The positions are rigging supervisor, certified rigger first with minimum 5 years and above experience in petrochemical industry, basic computer knowledge, reading and writing English, experience to prepare lifting plan, need to speak good English, need to lead rigging crew. As a technician, degree diploma with minimum 4 to 7 years of experience in refinery, power plant and petrochemical industries. So friends, you can see the detailed requirement. Better you can take a screenshot if needed. Offices and contact details are remain same for this position as well. This is for the country is, let me find out. Okay, anyways, ongoing direct line interviews in Mumbai for these positions, vacancies in large number. So 7 October has already over. 11 October client interviews, planning in charge, QC lead, scaffolding in charge, tank in charge. Okay, we have seen this posting as well. Okay, so we have already read this out. Next is for Dubai. Final client interview in Mumbai on 16th October. 8 hours duty plus overtime. It's a long-term job. Food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. You can send your CV on cv@jobsitl.net. So the positions are 3G MIG welder, FCAW 90 openings, structural steel fabricators 80 openings, tank welder 40 openings and touch-up painter 20 openings. All candidates should have 3 to 5 years of experience in steel, structural fabrication, building, oil and gas or refinery project. So friends, these are the contact details. Email ID I have already read out. You can take a screenshot if needed. Interviews will be on 16th of October in Mumbai and this is for Dubai. So friends, this was the posting for today. I will be back tomorrow with postings on Assignment Abroad Times Today newspaper. So friends, Please comment in the comment section your feedback about the video, and please like and share this video with your friends, and keep watching. Subscribe if you're new on this channel. Thank you.